Hello Taurians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is you and your person reading. It's about you and the person you are dealing with, and as you know they are also general readings, may not resonate with each and every one of you. And yeah, why are the cards flying out? Okay, so on one side will be your energies, on other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, but yeah, you can swap the characters according to your situation. And if this reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. Okay, so this is your energy. Wow, the Four of Wands. Let's see what's the energies of the person audience are dealing with. Okay, we have the Page of Cups. And see what's the most likely outcome. Okay, the Eight of Pentacles. So with the Four of Wands, Taurians, I guess you are in a committed relationship. Maybe you have even moved in together or married, whatever the scenario is. But yes, you are in a committed relationship, and which is quite balanced, and you are very happy in this relationship. And on your person side with the Page of Cups, I see this person is really making you happy. They are offering their love, their attention, their care, and they are investing in you 100%. So you are pretty happy in this situation. Most likely outcome is the Eight of Pentacles. So I guess both of you are working hard. Perhaps if you have already moved in, or you have committed, or at least plan to move in, plan to get married or something like that, I guess both of you are working hard towards this relationship, as well as creating a stability for yourself for the life ahead. That's what I'm getting. Let's see what are the clarifiers for your side, Taurians. Okay, Two of Swords, Four of Cups. What's this? Three of Wands. Very weird. Let's see how it moves. Let's see what are the... We have the Ace of Cups, the Five of Swords, and the Page of Wands. Okay. See, why is this Page of Cups? Cups, okay. The Nine of Swords, the Devil, Four of Pentacles. So what's going on, Taurians? I thought it was a beautiful thing, which you relationship, and what are you doing to it? Here with the Two of Swords, the Four of Cups, and with the Three of Wands. Why are you so disinterested and closed off? What is the reason behind it? So obviously there is a reason. Though you are very happy, it's not that you are not happy, but still there is something in your life which is going on, which is making you very detached and closed off. And you're waiting for something. I think what I am feeling here is, tell you what, the first thing which came to my mind was, I don't know how, for whom it will resonate, that because of this disinterested behavior, whatever this reason is of your disinterest, or so-called being closed off or detached, whatever it is, this is reducing your happiness from 4 to 3. Okay, so that stable thing is becoming sort of unstable. Not that the relationship is becoming unstable, but yes, your happiness is becoming less, it's becoming unstable. Because of it, you are reducing your happiness because of this reason. Whatever this reason is, you need to look into this. What is it that you are rejecting? Is there something on in your life which you are not accepting? Any offer, any love which you are not accepting? either you are trying to move away from something, you are closed off. Maybe there is something deep seated within you because of which you are closed off and you are not sharing it with anyone. It can be that, it can be something from your past also, and you are trying to move away from this, whatever this is. You are trying to move away from this and you're waiting for your happiness. Perhaps, see, one more thing is, this can be the reason that maybe now you are in this beautiful relationship, but maybe this is something from the past, an experience which was not that good, and you're trying to turn your back from this experience, and that's what you're waiting for. You're waiting for a new happiness, you're waiting for a new journey of your life. Yeah, that is why I was wondering, how come that with the Four of Wands suddenly you are feeling so bad? It can be the past energy, and if it is your current energy that you are, then you are reducing your happiness. If you're being closed off and detached because of something which is not that important, or whatever it is that you have to see, but then you are reducing your happiness. If you're unnecessarily waiting for something and wasting your time, I don't know what are you doing here. And here on your person's side, what I feel here is, this person has a lot of emotions with you. They want a new beginning with you. Maybe they have all, as I said, I think it is already a committed relationship. At least both of you know that you are in a relationship. But again, with the Five of Swords, there is something. Maybe this is the problem, that this person likes to, there has been a fight and argument between both of you. Either this is the reason that you have closed off, because I see this card, the Five of Swords. So maybe there has been an argument, heated argument, or maybe this person wants to have their own way in some situation, and on which you are not agreeing, and that is why maybe you are closed off. It can be that also. And as far as this is concerned, the Eight of Pentacles as the most likely outcome, then as the clarifiers, we have the Nine of Swords, the Devil, and the Four of Pentacles. So then the Nine of Swords, the Devil, and the Four of Pentacles. Again, a lot of anxiety, lot of sleepless nights, lot of overthinking, lot of unnecessarily thinking. With the Devil, I see a lot of negative energy is there in the environment, and with the Four of Pentacles, you are not sharing your emotions. Both of you are closed off, because it is a most likely outcome. You will end up being closed off to each other if you behave like this. Okay, so what I feel is that this is with the Devil. You need to correct this thing in your relationship. You need to talk about it. If you are also closed off and this person also walks away, and there's no point in spending those sleepless nights when it is a negative mindset which is controlling your beautiful relationship. As I've already told you, you need to correct this thing. If there is no need to be closed off so much, I think you need to talk about it. Otherwise, I don't know, you will be in unnecessarily in a situation of anxiety and unhappiness. Let's see what is the guidance from the universe for Taurians. Have faith. Number 12 or number 3 may be of some significance for you. Have faith. Trust your faith in this situation. So whatever this situation is, just have faith. Just have faith that it will work out. I think you need to open up. You don't have to be so guarded. If there has been some dispute, I think you need to talk it over and solve it, because otherwise it may sort of prolong unnecessarily for no rhyme or reason, because there is love in this relationship. There is a lot of love and lot of connection and lot of emotional investment in this relationship from both the sides. So why do you want to spoil it? So I just hope it helps you, Taurians, and what do I say? I would just advise you to correct this situation. So hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel, and meet you next time.